You and I will spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping. But have you ever wondered what our brain is doing during that time? While we fall unconscious, the cells in our brain are very busy. My name is Atreyi, and in my PhD I've been studying sleep and the cell's response to unfolded proteins. Every neuron or nerve cell in our body is constantly synthesizing hundreds of proteins, and each of these proteins serves a special function. For example, there are proteins on the cell surface that bind to chemical messengers in the brain. And there are other proteins that form pores across the cell membrane to allow charged particles to flow through and give rise to the electrical activity in the brain. For these proteins to function properly though, they need to be folded into specific structures. Just like a paper aeroplane relies on good folding to be able to do its job. But often, if a cell's environment isn't just right, or if there are too many proteins being made all at once, then the cell can come under stress, and these proteins may not fold properly. And just like an unfolded airplane won't fly to its destination, unfolded proteins can accumulate in spaces that you don't want them. Many neurological diseases that are associated with old age, such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, are actually thought to be caused by a buildup of misfolded proteins inside and around neurons. Luckily, our healthy cells can sense a buildup of unfolded proteins and can mount intelligent responses to take care of them, such as making more chaperone molecules that help to fold these proteins. Now, scientists can use this response as a proxy for the amount of unfolded proteins in cells, and they've found a link to sleep. Studies have shown that when animals are sleep deprived, neurons in their brain increase their response to unfolded proteins. Now, equally, after a good night's sleep, neurons show a much lower level of response to unfolded proteins. So sleep seems to recover cells from the stresses of being awake, which is integral for maintaining proper protein function. Now, it's not just the activity inside neurons that's important though. Staying awake can also increase the amount of misfolded proteins found in the space outside of neurons. When we sleep, there's an increase in fluid flow in our brain. Now, the brain is bathed in cerebrospinal fluid, which doesn't circulate like the blood in the rest of our body does. But when we sleep, more fresh fluid comes into the brain, which causes a convection current and flushes out old fluid from when we were awake. This flushing of the brain space is thought to be important for clearing unwanted substances from the brain, such as misfolded proteins, which could over time affect neuronal function and cause disease. So while we sleep, our brain is very much active, carrying out all the necessary housekeeping tasks to keep itself and us healthy.